Now then, there's a word we use up here in the northeast of England when something's pretty special. That word is mint. And that is what this is behind me. This is absolutely mint, this car. It's a pure seller. Land Rover Defender 110. This is an SE model in Santorini Black. On a 72, it's done 19,000 miles. But it is pure class, this thing. It really is. Fully black. Really special features, 22-inch wheels. It's got some urban add-ons, which I'll show you as I go around the car. Sliding roof, comfort and convenience pack with wireless phone charging and refrigerator. Deployable tow bar. X-Dynamics or full X-Dynamic styling package. It is absolutely really, really special, and it's in a lovely condition as well. And when we sell these Defenders, a lot of people want them to turn heads. This is going to turn heads because it looks slightly different to anything else you'll find in the market for the money. That's really important. We're pricing this car to sell it. So if you want a 110, you want a black one, you want it fully black, then this is the car for you, because urban styling, let's talk about that. So this car has had some add-ons from urban. One of them is the wide track arches, so you'll see that extending that out nice and aggressively. This little section here extended from the arches just to beef up the front end. It's an SE, so we've got matrix lights, fully X-Dynamic black styling, so it's all painted, gloss around the car. 22-inch wheels, they're the best wheels on these cars, 5-spoke. Side steps from urban, floor mats from urban. We've got carbon mirror casings, which is really nice. We'll look in the inside in a minute. But fully black as you go around, keyless entry, keyless start. Urban spare wheel cover, how nice is that? Check that out. All matching the arches, see the indentations in the arches matching through the wheel cover. And then we've got this as well, so lots of people using these Defenders want to pull something. This has got the factory deployable tow bar, it's about a £2,000 option including that. We've got the rear bumper protector as well, which is really nice. This car's in a lovely condition. The X-Dynamic, you get the towing hooks, they're all painted in gloss black. We've got mud flaps in gloss black, and then inside lots of space in a 5-seat 110, isofix points across the back, urban floor mats, if you check those out, Tom, as well, very nice. Then this has got sliding roof. We've got roof rails in gloss black. You'll get the theme, won't you? Everything is black in this car. The inside, robust X and leather seats. It's even got the darkened cross beam across the dashboard into the steering wheel, which I love in these, especially when you're going to spend a lot of time enjoying the car, driving it. The darkened crossbeam makes a big difference. Now this is a 250 horsepower, 3-litre diesel. It says it on the screen there. But look at that styling as you walk around the car. It looks absolutely amazing. It is mint. Even them little mirrors, the carbon mirror covers look great, don't they? Steps help me get in it, and then once I'm in, now this car is an SE spec car. So what you get in an SE is you get electric memory seats. A must in one of these. You get the Meridian sound system. Look at this steering wheel. So this bit here is in dark grey, and is this bit, and across there. So that means that all that darkened section, it really makes it stealthy inside. This car's got adaptive cruise control with lane assist, switchable driver information system. Then the comfort and convenience pack in an SE, that you don't get that in these really very often. Refrigerator, wireless phone charging, ambient lighting. Then we've got heated front seats. We've got the 360 camera system. So in this car, we've got on-road camera, off-road camera, and we've got towing camera with the guideline. We've also got the top view camera with the 360 view, so look at that, mega stuff. Wireless smartphone integration. We've got black headlining with sliding sunroof. Controls are here. Just, you know, if you want to defend it, it's cracking to look at. Great price. 3-litre diesel on a 72 with 19,000 miles on it. Still got lots of Land Rover warranty and breakdown assistance remaining. This car is a pure seller, and that is an Acklam-ism, a pure seller. When we get a car in that we know that will sell quickly, that's what we call it. That's one of them. Get it bought. Thanks for watching.